today we're going to be focusing on the importance of capacity, and we'll be looking at application requirements, device requirements, and some general guidelines for gaining more capacity. It is an essential element of wireless LAN design, implementation, monitoring, and support with modern networks, because we're no longer in that era where we can simply say we'll install a few access points and people will have wireless access, because we're now running critical applications, or we're marketing that we provide wireless access at hotels and other hospitality areas, arenas, and things like this. And when you market that you're providing wireless access and then people connect to the wireless network and do not have effective wireless access to the internet, let's just say they get a little bit frustrated. So to avoid that, we have to make sure that we've designed for capacity, and that's what we'll be looking at today. Now, another thing we want to make sure we're doing is utilize quality of service features. So what we want to do is take advantage of quality of service. Select clients that implement a wireless multimedia WMM or QoS data frames when required for voice over IP phones and push to talk devices and these kinds of things. Make sure you're actually getting devices that support QoS. The vast majority of the newer devices, of course, do, but you want to make sure you're getting those. Ensure the APs, switches, and routers have QoS enabled and properly configured. So make sure that you're enabling this not just on the APs, but on all the devices in between. Ensure end-to-end QoS, in other words. It should not be assumed that QoS is already implemented on the wired network. It may be that you're dealing with a network that never really had a need for QoS in the past. It was a standard data network with a lot of email checking and file transfers and database server access and stuff like that, and not really any real-time applications until you get wireless, and then you get your wireless handsets. So make sure that QoS is implemented end-to-end, because just implementing it at the APs or controllers does not give you what you need to get those packets through the network with the priority that they demand.